Imagine you're on a remote road. You put your car in neutral, but instead of rolling down the hill, it starts to creep backwards, uphill. What if I told you there are places on Earth where gravity itself seems broken? They're known as gravity hills, magnetic hills, or spook hills. Mysterious locations scattered across the globe where the fundamental laws of physics appear to be completely reversed. Visitors flock to these spots to witness the impossible. They watch in disbelief as balls roll against the slope and water poured onto the pavement flows away from what looks like downhill. Local legends often blame supernatural forces or strange magnetic fields buried deep within the Earth. Could a massive hidden deposit of magnetic rock be powerful enough to pull a 2-ton car? Scientists are skeptical. The force required would be astronomical, far greater than any natural magnetic field on Earth. Plus, the effect works on non-magnetic objects too, like plastic water bottles. So if it's not magnetism and it's not ghosts, what's really going on? The truth is both simpler and, in a way, far more fascinating. It's an elaborate trick, played on you by your own brain. These gravity hills are a type of complex optical illusion. The key is a completely, or mostly, obscured horizon. Without a true flat reference point for level ground, your brain gets completely tricked. The surrounding landscape, the slant of the trees, a crooked fence, or the slope of the land on the periphery creates a false perspective. What looks like an uphill slope is actually a very slight downhill grade. The illusion is so convincing that the only way to prove it is with precise instruments. A GPS altimeter or a surveyor's level will confirm the truth. The car is, and always was, rolling downhill. Gravity isn't broken on these strange roads. Instead, they reveal something just as profound: the stunning fallibility of our own perception, showing that sometimes the greatest mysteries aren't out there, but inside our own minds.